Hey, it's Rob from Kickass. Alright, Toyota's back. We're doing the axle, radiator, drive belt, pulley. No, I think that's all. Oh, the radiator hoses. So, come along as we jump into this Toyota. Okay, so that is the culprit. So pretty much we're gonna zip these guys out here. Already zipped the axle nut off. And then there is a snappering right here that we are going to pinch and pop this shaft out. Sometimes you can take this thing off, but I think these are the ones you just pop this whole thing out right here. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do right there. Let's start draining the coolant. Actually, I'm not gonna do that right this second. I'm gonna do that. All right, let's get in here and knock this guy out. All right, we've got her loose. Got to pull her all the way out. All right, got to come through your hole. She's a long girl. Oh yeah, she is. Okay. There's that snap ring we had to pull off. So don't forget to rescue that from the... Let's go play the match it up game. Make sure this is the right part. Main thing you're looking for on axle shafts is the splines, the pickup ring for the ABS, the length obviously, and let's see where the bearing, thickness and spline. Okay. Why does that inner part look a little different? Let's get the mic. Shit. See, that's not gonna work. That's why you check it, because that's not gonna work. The seal won't seal up on that because that's not the right. The seal's got to sail on this. That's too small. I bet you I could swap this over. Let's see what I'm looking at here. The seal sits right here on this part. This part's way skinnier than that, so nothing's going to seal around that. It's just going to piss fluid everywhere. Oh, this pisses me off. Look up this part number and see if maybe they grabbed the wrong one. So, so I just looked it up. There's an all-wheel drive version of this van. Go figure. So I must have hit all-wheel drive or some shit. So that's the one for the all-wheel drive. So they're bringing me the right one. Good thing it's in stock. It's a Toyota. It should be in stock. It's a minivan too. They should have 40 of them on the shelf. But yeah, so we're bringing that now. Let's get the right one. Put the right one. That's why you always check. I mean, I could have put that in there. Thing could have pissed fluid everywhere, and we're putting a seal on there too. So. Alright, got the Toyota all wrapped up. Got that new radiator in, just heat cycling it, getting all the coolant burped up. Axle's good. We'll take it for a spin, a little test drive. But yeah, kind of knocks out that did. I didn't do it, I didn't film it, but I did a seat before this Toyota, which I should have done, like a seat track. It's kind of seized up. Freed that thing up, got that thing working, got them out of here. That's going down, Beamer picked up. Where's Rev, you say? Well, he's out by the pool. Taking a break today. But yeah, that's good to go. I'm Rob for Kickass Garage. Thanks for stopping by. I know it wasn't that exciting today. It was just a belt and some things like that. But you know, sometimes it's just a good, nice, chill day where you're doing some maintenance for a car that needs to go out of town, you know. Toyota action. We did have a little hiccup with the axle. Good thing we got the right one. But it is a good thing. Make sure you check your axles because It's a big deal. They're models that are very close, and that's what happened in that one. That was the all-wheel drive one, so it was a little different on the differential input there. So make sure you compare before you go jamming them in there, because your parts aren't always right. I'm Rob from Kickass Garage. Thanks for stopping by. Remember, every Saturday I'll be here doing some kind of crazy thing. Later.